here I have Google Pixel 6 Pro with Android 13 installed, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this operational system. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon, go to the more settings, gestures, volume key action. So you can set it to shutter, zoom, volume, or just turn it off. Let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. So as you can see now with volume buttons, I can zoom in or zoom out. Just like this. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.